Hey kids, it's me, Mr. Archer, and I'm back with Blender. We'll be discussing 2D animation with the Grease Pencil tool again today. For today's lesson, we'll be doing a ball bouncing animation. Alright, with our default 2D animation scene, let's go off to the right. Under our output settings, this little printer icon, we're going to change our end frame to 24. If you look below that, the frame rate for this project is 24 frames per second. That'll make sense in a moment. Okay, so back to our canvas with our draw tool. We're just using pencil at the top in the upper left. We're going to draw a ball in the upper left corner. Okay. Now let's move down our playhead in the bottom here, little blue playhead. Move that down to frame 12. And let's draw our ball squished. Just like that. So the ball on our first frame is now, the opacity has dropped. So that's our onion skinning working for us to help us animate. Let's move our playhead up to frame 24. And we'll put another ball in the upper right. Okay. Now, if we go back to the beginning with our playhead, hit spacebar on our keyboard. Boop. Rough animation of the ball bouncing. So here it is starting in the upper left, and then there it's squished in the middle, and that's where it ended up here in the upper right. So doing that helps us know where we start, where we want to go, and where we want to end. Now we do the in-betweens. So we can go up to, say, frame 6 in between the first frame and the middle frame. Draw our ball again. And then we can go to frame 18, do the same. We can look at that animation again. Boop, a little smoother. We go in between that. Let's do small. Let's fix that. I'm going to do Control or Command Z. Try to keep the same size. I'm just using the left mouse button on my 3-button mouse, so it's not perfect. We'll go to frame 9. Put one in here. And now there's our squished one, so you know it's hitting the floor. Okay. Let's see how that looks there. Boop. See how it's boop. It's a little smoother. There. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's go to the beginning. Hit play. And there's our ball bouncing animation. That's all for today, kids. Bye.